If I started digital marketing all over again, this is step by step exactly what I would do from scratch. Hey, you guys, first, if you're new over here, my name is Victoria. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I teach you step by step how to make bank online and exactly what I've done to make well over $600,000 in just 2 years as a busy mom to 3 wild little boys and an army wife, and we are constantly on the go. So you're going to want to hear this. Now, before I get into this, if you are anything like me, you might have spent years looking for the best way to make money online from home. Like for me, I spent 7 years in network marketing because I thought that that was the only way to make an income from home, but I wasn't making anything close to what I dreamed of. So about 2 years ago, this girl started showing up in my newsfeed talking about digital marketing and this whole 2-hour workday that was averaging her $900 a day. And just like so many of you, I said, yeah, right. I said, sounds too good to be true. I called it an MLM. I called it a pyramid. I said it must be a scam because I didn't understand it. And so I actually spent 2 months analyzing, researching, making sure I understood what it was before I got into it. And if you want to know exactly what it is and you want to hear exactly what my 2-hour workday consists of, make sure you click that link in my description because that's going to send you an email with my exact 2-hour strategy that I follow. So let's get into this. What would I do if I were starting all over again? First things first, I would not assume to know everything. What I mean by that is so many people end up getting a program or getting some kind of digital marketing course and they just want to jump in. They want to start posting fast because they want to start seeing those sales come in as fast as possible. And let's be real, we all start digital marketing because we want to make money online. But I would have taken more of the time to actually go through the steps. The program that I found is designed to teach beginners step by step exactly how to start in digital marketing, exactly how to build your email list, and how to start attracting customers to you. The beautiful thing about digital marketing, if you don't know this yet, is that you don't need to spam friends and family. You don't need to slide into anybody's DMs or cold message a soul to see success here. But I'll be honest with you, I got a little cocky and I just decided, okay, I got my program, I'm going to start posting. No, make sure you follow the steps because we can all say that maybe we know how to post on social media, but do you actually know how to attract customers to you organically? That's what these digital marketing courses and programs are created for. This is why digital marketing is such a high income skill for businesses. This is why so many business owners invest in e-learning courses that teach you the skills to market and attract customers to them. So just as an example, I have realtors, I have boutique owners, I have handyman businesses, I have all these people that will go and get the program. They don't care about reselling. They want to learn the skills to attract customers to their business or product that they already have established. So personally, I just would have spent more time learning before jumping in. The second thing that I would have done is I would encourage you to set a baby goal and then a big goal. Setting these goals for yourself is just going to encourage you to stay on track. And these goals don't need to be monetary. These goals could just be to get 50 leads inside of your funnel. But don't set a time limit on this for yourself because it's only going to stress you out if you're not where you want to be. The other thing that I would encourage anybody starting digital marketing to do is not compare. Let me tell you my friend Tim's story for a hot second, because you hear from tons of people who start digital marketing and they have massive success right off the bat, right? But then what about the people who don't? What about the people where it might take you a week or a month to start to get those sales rolling in? That's what it was like for my friend Tim. Tim started this, he followed the steps, he followed the training, he was so consistent, and it took him 3 months to get off the bat and rolling, and now he has now made over $500,000 in the online space working just 2 hours a day from his cell phone. And he follows the exact same 2-hour strategy that I was telling you about that's in the link in my description. I say that because everybody's story is so different. For me, when I started this, my baby goal going in was to make $1,200 a month. And in my very first month, I hit $29,000. Everybody's story is different. I would set a monetary goal for yourself to just get into profit mode in your first month. And by the way, I coach you and teach you step by step inside of my coaching how to get into profit mode in your first 30 days. And statistically, the majority of my customers that follow my coaching see their first sale within 2 weeks, if not sooner. The last thing that I would encourage anybody that is starting digital marketing, and if I did this all over again, I would do the exact same thing. Be consistent. Every single day. When I'm talking about I work 2 hours a day from home, I mean I work 2 hours a day. But it's not something that you can just decide to do one day and then take off the next day. The work that I do is easy. I create content, I go live, and I plug in the training to learn the skills to market and attract. But if you're not willing to commit to that 2-hour process, you won't succeed. All of that to say, I'm telling you right now, if you are willing to plug in a training, you're willing to be consistent, and you won't get caught in that comparison game, then I can teach you step by step exactly how to succeed with digital marketing, how to start averaging $900 to even $1,400 a day doing this from your cell phone around your busy schedule. Just go check out the link in my description to learn exactly how, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I teach you all the ways to make money online. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!